Welcome back, everyone, and to our next problem. So this one is talking about World Series. So the World Series in baseball continues until either the American League or National League wins 4 games. How many different orders are possible if the series goes to 4, 5, 6, 7 games? So, if the series goes to 4 games, then this one is straight up. The number of order, so the number of order equals to 2. Why? Because it's either you get the American League, who wins 4 games straight, or the National League that wins 4 games straight. Now, this is for the first example, first question, A. B is asking if the series goes to 5 games. Well, if the series goes to 5 games, then we know that the winner won the last game. But we know also that 3 out of the 4 prior games are won by the winner, and 1 game is won by the other team. So if the series goes to 5 games, you're still going to have 4 games to win, which is 4 factorial. But this time, you got the last winner. The winner actually won 3 games prior, and the other team won 1 game, which you can call that 4C 4C3 for combination 3, which is equals to 4. Why we did 4 combination 3? Well, it's because the combination of a team winning, it depends. Basically, combination is what we say is unordered. There is no order when it comes to combination. So, there is no order, and actually it's without replacement. Okay? So it's without replacement, and there is no order. But is it only 4? No. Actually, the answer is 8. Why is it 8? Well, remember, we have 2 teams. So, no matter what the order is going to be, because you have 2 teams, then you have to multiply by the original order it would have been, which is 2, if the game goes to 4 games. Now, because it goes to 5 games, we have a order of 4, but because there are 2 teams, then it's times 2, which equals to 8. And please let me know if you don't understand. Actually, I'm going to make a second video after this one that would explain why the answer is 8. And if you understand it, know why the answer is 8, then it will go as follow for the next 2 questions. So C, if the series goes to 5 games. Well, if the series goes to 5 games, we know that at least 3 No, my bad. If the series goes to 6 games. If it goes to 6 games, then we know that at least 3 of the previous game was won by the winner, and that 2 other games are won by the other team. So, and of course, the last game is won by the winner. So, if the last, so we know that about 3 games were won by the winner. So 3 games prior to the last one, and 2 were won by the other team. Then the number, when you add 3 plus 2, it has to equal to the top part, because this one talks about 6 games. So in 6 games, 3 are won by the winner. Those are 3 games prior, and 2 are won by the other team. And we know that the last game is won by the winner. So it would be 5 factorial over 3 factorial times 2 factorial, which is 5 combination 3, which would be equal to 10, but times 2, because there are 2 teams, it would equal to 20. And D says if it goes to 7 games, then if it goes to 7 games, we know that 3 games prior are won by the winner, and 3 games also prior are won by the other team. So 3 plus 3 equals to 6. That means 6 factorial on top. Why? It's because we know that the last game is won by the winner. So that would be 6 factorial, 6 combination 3, and that would equal to 20. But because there are 2 teams, then it's 40. There are 40 different orders for 7 games. Now, I know it might not be obvious what you just saw, or you might not have understood it right away. So I'm going to make another video, and I will show you using letters instead of the numbers to show you why B, C, D are what they are. But I know that for A, it's actually straightforward, because you can see that any of the 2 teams can win 4 games in a row, so the order is 2 for 4 games, because it's either A or N, which is 4 on each. So thank you for watching. Have a great day.